Patois Media is a space for music, poetry, spoken word, storytelling and dub poetry. Read it, sing it or speak it. Reclaiming the narrative and telling our story through our own eyes. Patois Media, sharing the vibes.
Well, I just, Lord, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, so. We've got our entertainers, Michael and Sharon. They'll be doing spoken words and doing a bit of singing for us. So over to you, Michael.
Okay, thank you, Lorna. And can I just do a bit of housekeeping and say, give thanks and praise unto the Most High, from whom all blessings flow, the originator of the heaven and the earth, the Lord of majesty and bounty, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure, all returning in grace and mercy. Blessed is thy name, exalted is thy majestic power. None is worthy of worship save thee alone. Blessed is thy name. Give thanks for another day and another chance to do good in the world. Okay, Shazlene, while
yeah, we all know this, don't we? Yes. One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. Hear the children crying. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the woeful sinners who has hurt all mankind just to save his own? Believe me, one love. What about the one heart? Let's get together and feel alright. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be in the end. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together to fight this only Armageddon. When the man comes, there will be no doom. Pity on those whose chances grow thinner. There ain't no hiding place for the Father of creation. Say it, come on, sing. One love. What about the one heart? Let's get together and feel alright. I'm pleading to mankind. Oh yeah. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Singing, let's get together and feel alright. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright. Let's get together. Yeah, one love. All right, thank you.
I joke.
Tell him love, man. The lady says she wants some big boy joke.
She wants some big boy joke. A church reader, you know.
No matter.
Yes, yeah, the same song was okay. If anybody can stop now, do a little bit of chicken. If you can, if you can't, it's alright. Just sit down with the arms. Yeah. By the rivers of Babylon, where we sat down, where we went, when we remember Zion. The wicked carry us away, captivity requires from us a song. How can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Let the wicked carry us away, captivity require from us a song. So how can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Oh yeah. We're gonna sing I can't hear you. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable in thy sight, override. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our hearts be acceptable in thy sight.
Give thanks and praise to the Most High.
Oh yeah. Real Babylon. Yeah, 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 yeah. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable in thy sight, override. So let the words of our mouth and the meditation of our heart be acceptable. Now we sing the Lord's song, so we sing in a strange land. The wicked carries away, captivity require from us a song. So how can we sing the Lord's song in a strange land? Whoa, sing it out loud. Yes, rivers of Babylon. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michael.
Thank you.
Thank you. Big round of applause.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good to be here.
Thank you, Michael and Sharon. That was amazing. You know, we can feel it in our bones. It was amazing. Thank you so much. Right, I hope you stayed for lunch. Yes, please.
Yeah, we'll grab a little lunch.
Yeah. Right, so it's lunchtime. Okay? So we've got
Please take a moment to like, share or leave a comment. And thank you to our sponsors and supporters. Your support is invaluable. Thank you for believing in us and making our journey possible. With gratitude, from Patwa Media.